This thing is an absolute monster.
All right, it's a bittersweet day today. I am retiring my Bolens BL110, which died on me when I was running it hard last week. But I got myself a Husqvarna 330LK. I have the ability to add some new attachments, so I'm going to use this thing for the very first time today, and we'll see how it performs. One thing I like already is how much longer the shaft is. I found myself having to lean over to do the trimming before, but it looks like I'll be able to just lean back and get a lot done with this one. I'm pretty excited, but let's see how it starts for the first time.
All right, so I'm gonna hit the primer bulb 10 times. Open up the choke. Pull this 3 times. Close the choke. There we go. That was pretty easy.
Ooh, that's nice. Let's go do some damage.
Now to put the 330LK to an ultimate test, this is a section of my yard that I haven't trimmed in about a month. You can see how tall the weeds and actual brush is. This trimmer had no problem blasting through all of it.
Well, I have to say I'm super impressed with the 330LK by Husqvarna. This is a lot more powerful than my BL110 Bolens, and I think I'm going to be pretty happy with it. In some future videos, I'll show you some of the attachments that came with it. Take care, everybody. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.